I'm Rosie Harris with Caring Transitions. Today we're going to walk you through using our CTBids.com auction website. We're going to cover as much information as we can today, but if you have additional questions, be sure to read through all of the information on the website. If you still need help, reach out. CTBids is our online auction website where you can go on and shop sales in your own backyard or from across the country. You can find unique and everyday items to add to your collection. On our homepage, you can find information about our company, featured sales, how to get registered, and start your search. When you go on CTBids.com, you can browse any items from any sales. Then, if you want to place a bid, you must register. To register, you can provide your email, or you can link it to your Facebook, Google, or Apple accounts. When you're on CTBids.com, you can search a couple of different ways. So there is the house function at the top where you can search by room. There's the search bar where you can type in the terms that you're looking for, or you can search by category on the sidebar menu. You can also search within location by putting your zip code in, or search by state at the top. The advanced search function allows you to narrow down your results even further. You can search by location, date range, or by specific keywords. For example, if you're looking for watches, you can type watch into the search bar. If you'd like to find a brand name specifically, you can type that in as well. The more specific your search terms are, the closer your results will match. On each item listing, under About the Sale, click Read More to find additional sale details. On the Cool Items tab, you can find the top item with the most bids. You can find popular items or cool items, which are specialty or featured items. Once you've registered and logged in and you find an item you like, you can either watch the item or place a bid. When you're ready to bid, click Bid Now. Next, enter your max bid and click Place Bid. A watched item is an item that you want to keep track of. So when you click Watch, it's going to go in your account under your watched items. From there, you can easily access those items and follow through the sales end. You can access the items you've won through the My Account tab. Once the auction has closed, you will receive an invoice by email with payment instructions. Items won in each auction can either be picked up locally or shipped. Shipping information can be found at the bottom of each listing. If you need help, you can contact our help desk through phone or email by clicking on that page. Thank you so much for shopping with us. We really appreciate you helping this family in transition. You can find our future sales either on our Facebook page, our website, or you can sign up for email alerts to get notifications when they're coming. To access exclusive sale information, be sure to join our CTBids Auction Insider group on Facebook.